In today's video, I'm going to show you an issue I have with the MixPre Mark II series, MixPre-10 Mark II, which you can see on top. I'm running the latest firmware version of 7.10. Trying to show it to you. Here we are, current version 7.10, and it is an issue I already talked about where I have an external keyboard connected by USB-A, and I'm recording something on the device, and while recording I can switch to the file transfer mode, which will crack the recording. Normally it is not possible to enter file transfer mode while recording because the associated menu item is grayed out, but even while the associated menu item is grayed out, it's still possible to use the keyboard shortcut CTRL+F. I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to record. Here you see the recording running, and now I'm going to the system menu again. Here we are. File transfer mode is grayed out. It's not possible to switch to that, but I can actually use my keyboard, CTRL+F. Here we are. Here we are. Now I'm, hold on, should turn it on. Here we are, turned on, and I switch to the file transfer mode. So I'm doing something or whatever, I'm not doing anything. On my notebook, the USB the MixPre-10 Mark II appears as a drive, and I enter that, exit that, and it appears as if I was still recording. Problem is that the recording now is broken, and it's not recording anymore. So I stop the recording. Go to the file transfer, to the take list, to the file list. And the only recording I have is a recording of 18 minutes 43 seconds, which is not the file time I was just recording, as you could see on the video. Maybe I recorded 1 or 2 minutes, but not 18 minutes 43 seconds. So problem is, the device does not tell me that my recording is broken. The device allows me to do something which is not allowed on the UI, but it's still possible to do via the USB keyboard shortcut. I would really appreciate to have that fixed from Sound Devices, because sometimes, when you are in a hurry and press a shortcut, this should not lead to any data loss. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.